Hello students, hope you are well and good. So today we are going to begin with unit number, that is same unit 5, Tiger's Claw. Here you can see in your textbook, which I haven't taken now. It's activity 1. Imagine the following situation. Write down you would do. What would you do? Share your points with your teachers and classmates. This can be done on your own at your home. You can see in the image, you are sitting in the garden on a beach, on a bench, watching the children playing. You look up and this is what you see. See, you are sitting in a garden. In the garden, when you go for a visit, you sat there on a bench, watching the children playing. You were enjoying the people surrounded in the garden. You were enjoying the wet environment. All of a sudden, what do you see? You see a snake there. How do you feel? You may write in this term, I felt scared. I was shocked. I was crying like anything. So this can be written in your own terms. Second, you are bending and looking under the bed, helping your grandfather find his sandals. This is what jumps over your hands. What does jump over your hand? Who does? Sorry. The mouse, the rat. Then what do you feel? All of a sudden your hands squeeze. A kind of goosebumps happen in your hand, or your hand shakes so fast. You are washing your hands. Suddenly a large number of cockroaches came out of the drain. From the drainage system, such cockroaches come out while washing your hands from the sink. So what do you feel? You should write the same. You are alone at home. You hear the door creak. Creak means when you open the door produces such sound. That is weird sound, creak. That is sound called as creak. And see him. What do you see there? That's those feelings you are supposed to write in your textbook from activity 1 and send it to me on my personal number. Now I am going to share the summary of this unit. This unit reads about the writer's encounter with a fierce tiger, with a dangerous tiger. The writer is facing the tiger. The writer was sleeping in a station house of railways. When he opened his eyes, he saw at the door a tiger pushing in, and it was a muddled moment for the writer. Now what do you mean by muddled? So muddled means confused. He was sleeping. All of a sudden he opened his eye. He saw the tiger was standing at the door. And tiger was about to enter in the room. The writer felt it like a dream. Of course you feel like a dream. How is it possible a wild animal can enter in your room or railway station? But when he found it to be a fact, it was a fact. It is not a dream. When he opened his eyes, he realized this is the fact. He thought that the fertilizer company would have to manage without his lectures from the following day. The company where he worked, so he has conveyed the thing like the company has to manage on its own. Somehow he had recollections regarding a circus. He had visited circus, so he got some memories or thoughts from a circus or about circus. He recalled how the circus man, just with a chair, managed a whole menagerie, and he took up a chair to keep the tiger at bay. Means in circus, how these people are managing such wild animals Menagerie means wild, means group of collection of wild animals. Circus people, the one who organizes circus along with the animals, how do they manage? So he realized, so he took a chair to keep the tiger at bay, means to maintain distance or make him go back. With great strength he drew a table and a stool, made a stockade for him in a corner. See, stockade means like stacking. You can keep chairs on other chairs, means that is stacking, line, piling. The same he did. He managed to get a table and stool and make it a stockade. Still, the growling of the tiger made him feel that his end was near. So, the tiger was growling, the sound which tiger produce, and he thought that his end is near. Tiger wanted to take his flesh, means take him in his mouth. The writer held up the chair like a shield. Shield, you know, the bala, like soldiers in those days hold their shield to protect themselves, and flourished it to the tiger. So he threw it. The tiger fell back a step or two, but the way the tiger was waving its tail and scratching the floor with his four paws, means front paws, was breath stopping for the writer. Still, tiger was doing his motions continuously. He was continuing his motions. How was he scratching the floor? He was ready, like with his front paws. The front two legs can be said in easy language. So this is what the summary, how the incident, how the encounter with tiger and writer is being discussed in this story, in this chapter. So now I'll begin with part 1, the lesson from the text. Kindly pay attention to it. I opened my eyes and saw at the door a tiger pushing himself in. I means the writer. When he was asleep, he woke up in the morning and he saw a tiger pushing himself in the room, at the door. It was a muddled moment for me, a confused moment, not being sure whether the dream was continuing or whether I was awake. He was not sure because he just woke up and he thought that it is whether he can't recognize whether it is a dream or real. I at first thought it was my friend, the station master, who was coming in. In the beginning, when he saw him or he was in dream, it happens, so children, when you come out, when you wake up, no, you have such dreams in your mind. You feel it takes time to get normal and feel the actual situation of the time. So he thought he is a friend who was coming in, but my dream had fully prepared my mind. I saw the thing clearly against the starlit sky. Now, what do you mean by starlit sky? Starlit means shining with light of stars. Starlit means light, shining, light. So, shining with light of stars. Tail wagging means moving from side to side several times, like dog's tail. Growling, making a low sound in the throat, usually a sign of anger. And above all, his terrible eyes gleaming through the dark, Gleaming means shining with a pale clear light, a dull, but the shining is given. Shining in gleaming in the sense simple language, shining through the dark. It was dark, and its eyes were shining. Of course, he belongs to the cat family. Their eyes are always shining. If you want to see the shining, gleaming eyes, you can see the eyes of cat. They are always gleaming in the dark. I understood the fertilizer company would have to manage without my lectures from the following day. He works in that company, and he was in the dream. He thought, today I am not going to the company has to manage on its own. The tiger himself was rather startled by the noise of the chair and stood hesitating. So now the description of tiger has come. He tried to enter, but he was in the beginning, he was hesitating how to enter in the human room, because he walks freely in the jungle, in the forest. He saw me quite clearly in my corner. Then he found him and observed quietly, and he seemed to be telling himself. He was telling himself. What was he telling himself? My dinner is there ready, but let me first know what this clattering noise is about. Clattering means knocking together of hard objects and making a loud noise. It's kind of loud noise, clattering noise. When he entered in the room, he observed each and every corner of the room. He tried to enter in the room. Then he found him in the corner, and he thought, my dinner is ready. Just dangerous situation. The one who's facing this situation feels this problem, can know exactly. So next, somehow wild animals are less afraid of beings than they are of piece of furniture like chairs and tables. So they are afraid of such from the wooden things. I have seen circus men managing a whole menagerie with nothing more than a chair. They manage these wild animals with the help of chair only. God gives us such recollections in order to save us at critical moments, and definitely God saves us in the difficult situations. He sends the cues in our mind, and we try to follow them and protect ourselves from the dangerous, difficult situations. So we can say God is always with us. He is always with us in a full day, 24 hours. So whenever you seek help, He is ready to shower His grace, His strength, His power in us. So you all have to believe in God for each and every moment of life. And as the tiger stood observing me and watching the chair, I put out hands with desperate. Now tiger came to know that he is going to protect himself with the help of chair. So the God gave the situation. First of all, the animal wanted to make him to eat. Then later he decided, he got an idea, and he started saving himself with the help of the chair. So here we are going to stop. From next page we will discuss later. Until now you have to read this chapter, and the meanings which I have said from the chapter of new words you are supposed to write in your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day. Tune it to the next video.